good right there, right there.
Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. What's going on here, buddy?
They hear you say stupid shit like that again, then
So today, we're changing a lower control arm and a toe arm. And as you can see, let's look at this. This right here, control arm. And now let's go to the other side. You see how the difference of that to that is not supposed to, yeah. We're gonna change that today.
Aw, dude, no way.
Oh, come on.
What shit is that, dude?
Why do they design things the way they design them? You know? You know? Alright. Oh, there you go. We make a move. We gonna get it. Yeah. Look at my dude go.
It's a lot easier to work on parts when you have the games.
Strong. Lower control arm is out.
Oh, man, dude.
The reps, dude. Who cares?
I care, dude.
Sheesh. Well, so that's what you do. You get that off, you get that off, you get that off, and then you get that off.
You know if these are like
that comes out.
side specific or?
Look at him go. Look at him go.
Lick your biceps.
Look at him go. Look at him go. He's buff. He's buff. He's buff. Oh, look at him go. Oh, yeah. Look at him go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Oh, wow. It already looks better. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah, three holes right there, bud.
Adjustability.
Check. For the sway bar?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, wow. Look at there. Oh, look at there. Would you just look at that?
Take a gander.
Would you just look at that? Would you just look at that?
That's so short.
Because you're a piece of shit. You ever get tired of being trash?
That's not what your mom said last night.
Oh! Wow, look at the ingenuity.
Get you a screw jack.
Get you a screw jack, he says. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
I'll make me have a tight ass fin in it, bud.
No. Lifting the whole thing. Why?
Because the jack lifts itself.
It what?
The jack lifts itself.
What?
This jack lifts itself up.
Alright. Whatever you're saying. That's cool. So here's where he went wrong. If you cannot tell which one is the bad one, you're stupid. Look at this. Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Look at him looking at it. Just look at him looking at it. How do you feel about yourself?
I don't know. Don't go street drifting, kids.
But you weren't drifting.
Yeah, that's true.
What were you doing?
I mean, I was drifting, technically.
You literally just made a U-turn.
I made a U-turn, and I lost it, so.
You lost a U-turn. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you gotta cut
Oh,
the
Hey, edit this out.
So let's go ahead and give his portion of. Oh yeah. Oh. 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 Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What is that?
Tools.
Oh, he stuck a tool. He got a tool stuck in your car. There it is. Yeah.
That's a go on for. That's a go on.
And then we have a new one right here. Ooh, yeah.
We gotta buy something to drink.
Can you buy me something?
We can get both of our wallets.
Or you get.
Yeah, no, what we could do, you can put both of the drinks right there, and whichever one his brother takes, that's the one that pays. Yes or no? Deal? That's a good deal, right? That's a good deal. Come on. Get them both.
Wait, what?
Okay.
My brother picks the wallet.
He picks whatever card.
But he's gonna see us put it down.
No, he's not. We'll give him to the medicine.
But that's not a fair deal.
We'll just be like left hand, right hand. Fucking idiot.
And he's gonna pick. He's gonna make sure to pick the one that's mine.
How will you know?
She's gonna see it. What the fuck? That nigga got X-ray vision or some shit. What part this is that you're taking off?
I don't fucking know, dude.
Just tell us. Stop being difficult.
Fucking toe rod.
Say it a little bit louder.
Toe arm.
Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What's this called, Ken?
It's called the adjuster nut bolt.
Close.
That boogers.
I wish you did because it'd be funny.
Never mind.
Well, say it.
I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to be moving like that.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's adjustable. It has
Yeah, this is adjustable.
It has
That's just-
adjustable rubbers.
It's Godspeed.
It's Godspeed, dude. It's like the best you can buy on
Godspeed.
eBay. Come on, dude.
On eBay. I mean, I can't deny that.
Come on, dude.
But you can't say the best of
It's the best of eBay.
eBay, specifically eBay.
Exactly.
Please don't say nothing else.
He's upset. I'm upset.
Oh my god, I drive an STI. Everything has to be perfect.
Oh.
How'd you know that?
Godspeed.
STI.
Godspeed.
I mean, yeah, because if he's breaking shit, this dumbass is not swinging anymore.
How do you know that?
Ooh, that would have been your toe.
I move at the perfect time. How do you know he's not gonna swing?
You know, I can't talk shit. I had Godspeed
What are you talking about?
on a 240.
You bought it like that.
Yeah, it's fine.
Well, yeah. So you
If
didn't.
I didn't
do
like
it.
Godspeed, I would have just changed them.
But you didn't like everything. You didn't change anything.
That's
Sorry.
not true.
Sorry.
What are you doing?
Hey, quit fucking.
It was at stock, you stupid hoe. Measure it up, you fucking bitch.
Wow.
Is this shit even bent?
No.
You probably didn't even need to change those.
Yeah, you
Too
probably
late, you
didn't.
stupid bastard.
Well, you did it now.
Look, alright, we're gonna fucking fight if you keep with that bullshit, alright?
Miss me with that bullshit.
Hey, did you have your birthday party yesterday?
What'd you buy
Yes.
from Barstown?
50i, dude.
We had a.
Oh my god, I drive an
My
STI
sister
and I
told
have
you.
reps on my car.
Did.
Oh.
And I hit her up and I was like, is this shit going on? I hit her up at like 5. She never replied to me.
Did you not look at our group chat?
On what? Snapchat? I don't use that shit. Fuck, I need that for. I'm logged on. So the Snapchat. Okay, so
Shut the fuck up. I wasn't asking you.
group chat, Snapchat, like, if I'm in it, that means I'm on my real Snapchat. But I made another account so I can chase clout with. And that's what
Fuck us.
That's what I'm logged into
You
right
want to
now.
chase cloud? Where's it at? Is it there?
Yep, it's over there. Sitting, wasting
Hey, what
all the
fuck
clout.
you doing? There's the cloud over there.
What do you mean? That's the clout right there.
That ain't shit. Nobody knows you. Fuck your body.
This right here is the clout, bro. Look at.
Flex that, flex it. Flex it,
cloud.
flex it.
Show him. Show him.
Oh!
Oh my pussy! I better see my bicep on YouTube.
Hey, are you Captain America?
Me?
Yeah. He's Captain Muslim. Can't say.
Oh! Shit, that was funny.
Is Muslim a country, you stupid fuck?
That's a joke, you stupid hoe.
Captain Muslim! Ah! Hey, earlier he said, what did you say? Talk Mexican?
Mexican.
Yeah, speak Mexican.
That's racist!
From where did you get fired from again?
I got you. Where'd you used to work at?
I didn't have to.
We used to?
Dude, no.
Okay, now I act like you didn't get roasted.
Yeah.
Why you like to point out people getting fired all the time?
Because look at my...
I'ma get
about
you
to give
fired.
a radio interview. You guys better not be screaming and shit.
A radio interview? What, are you about to be on KJLH?
Shit.
Oh shit, okay, whoop. Ice, where you at?
Ice.
I would be like that. Hey, you see that fucking meme where that white lady's like on the phone?
Oh yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
What was that requirement?
I said after Audi, I emailed Newport Lamborghini for a job.
But what they tell you?
They never emailed me back.
Put this shit in spam.
Probably.
You got a friend, dude. Oh, spear! Oh my god. Fuck yeah.
Oh, that's getting fucking lit.
Subi owner tuning his car already. Is that the Cobb Exit Sport?
Yeah.
Is that already, dude? Where you get about it? Right here, like the rest of them?
No, right here, look.
Oh, you already got a landing point right there.
Damn.
Cool. You get a two-step.
And Ringland.
Oh, sheesh. Sorry.
Don't bring that up, please.
Sorry. I want to hear the Subi Rumble.
For what? Look, I told you he was gonna say for what.
Do it.
For what?
What it sound like? What it sound like?
Ready?
Get her done. Get her done.
You don't even have a fucking rev limiter, two-step shit.
Do it again. Do it again.
No, you do.
You gotta make it loud, dude.
What it sound like?
Corn fed.
Is that elote, fucker? Oh. Nigga, go home.
Well, I have to check my oil now after doing
No,
that.
I needed to. That's I have the oil.
Using your video, dude.
Sponsor? This is the best you can get.
This is Absol.
Damn, oil. 530, cuz.
Ain't no motul though.
This is better than Motul. Alright? Don't disrespect me like that. Alright? Use this.
Did you say Amzo is better than motul? That's what he said.
It's quite factual.
Why aren't you running Motul on your piece of shit?
He doesn't need to put any. He don't need to put any oil. It just sits. I did fine. Oh, sorry, Robert. Oh, you hear airing out on the peasants. You look disgusting. Absolutely sick. Don't care, you're sick. I hope that shit, imagine that shit hit him in his head, he got concussion and died right here.
I'm waiting. When are you gonna be on the radio? Wait, this is not radio, this is a podcast. Radio.
Oh, he's on the TJ Hunt podcast.
said. See how it drives. Make sure the wheels come out. I know.
Hey, should I put him in a coffin quick? Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, he's gonna do that. White pants, sideways.
Well, he has to.
Mondo! Just a random.